Pinabati ko po si Mars ng happy birthday. Thank you.
And your friendship is a gift to us all. There's the golden card of her golden birthday. With the next chapter be even more beautiful.
Birthday. May this year bring you much joy and laughter as you have put to our life. May you stay forever young and beautiful the next 50 years. Always good health as always, and God bless you and family.
Thank you, beautiful girl. I got a sore throat po days ago, but I'm so thankful and praise God po. And by the grace of God po, I was able to attend this momentous event of my dear friend. So I'm very, very glad po na witness ko po this day. To you, before that, I would like to say na hindi niyo po siguro alam, Marilyn is my long-time friend for about 2 decades na po. And she never changed. She's still pretty, gorgeous, kind and loving friend of mine. Yes, on your 50th birthday, I pray that may the good Lord grant you with love, peace, joy and happiness. And also to have a peaceful life ahead. And grant you with a good health. And I pray that you also enjoy your life's blessings and favor of God. Happiest and blessed 50th birthday to you, and stay blessed.
Thank you. Can we
Ako ready. Yes, at first, to the ever gorgeous my ate and kumaring Marlene. Happy 50th birthday. Wishing you a fantastic birthday filled with love, laughter, and the memories of a lifetime. May your 50th be the start of more amazing things to come. Stay active and healthy para marami pa tayong tours na pagsamahan. Diba?
Thank you so much, Melanie. Thank you. Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. And sa ating very lovely celebrant. Una sa lahat, gusto ko magpasalamat sa iyo at kay Kuya. Kasi hindi po yata alam na lahat na si Ate at si Kuya. Kaya ako nag-invite sa amin mag-serve sa church. Peri-menopause po. Susunod ako. Kasi 10 taon pa. So, ate, ang wish ko sa'yo, sana may you be able to inspire more people, more ladies, more positive outlook for everyone. She's an epitome of positivity and grace. Yes. So, yeah, hindi man tayo laging nagkakausap or nagkikita-kita ni na Kuya, pero andito kayo sa akin. Happy birthday! Thank you, Maya, for that wonderful words. Beautiful wisdom.
Good afternoon sa lahat. Yes. Ayun po, kala ko matagal pa po ako dito magpapagdali. Pero ayan, una po sa lahat. Gusto ko pong magpasalamat sa iyo. Marami pong nakakaalam dito kung ano yung merong band sa atin. Gusto ko pong gamitin ang oras na to para magpasalamat. Para magpasalamat ko sa iyo. Naka-experience kami, ako at ng mga anak ko ng masayang moment. Dahil po sa iyo sa pag-invite mo sa amin. Maraming salamat.
Pati rin po sa pag-invite sa Narrow Church. Maraming salamat po. Ganito, nag-isip po ako kagabi ng anong in-wish ko sa birthday ko. Dapat yung best, dapat yung maganda. So, nakaisip naman po ako. So, ang wish ko po, sana matupad lahat ng wish namin lahat na nandito ngayon. Pati rin po yung mga family and friends na nasa malayong lugar. Sana po matupad lahat ng mga wishes namin sa birthday. Happy birthday po. Stay pretty, stay sexy, and stay blessed po. Happy birthday. Thank you po.
Good afternoon po sa lahat. Kami nila Mars, siguro mga 1 year or mga 2 years pa lang na magkakilala. Pero, saan kami magkakilala? Through church. Then, through church din kami. So, in-encourage na rin kami for Sunday sa Dalubi Church. So, yun, tuloy-tuloy na. Tapos, yun nga, at saka, napaka-supportive niya. Pag may sakit ka, i-message ka. Very well appreciated. So, thank you so much for being a good friend. Hindi na sa family ko. Wishing you joy and happiness in life.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday po, Tita. Wishing you an amazing journey in life, full of success and happiness, good health and good life, and more blessings.